Welcome back to the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. On my left, we have the MSI A550BN gaming power supply at just $59. And on my right, the Corsair RM750e power supply costing $99. But is it worth the extra cash? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. Reviewers praise the MSI A550BN for its reliability and affordability, making it a great choice for budget-conscious gamers. At just $59, it's a steal. On the other hand, the Corsair RM750e is seen as a more premium option at $99. Many users feel that while it's pricier, the extra 200 watts of power and advanced features justify the cost. In summary, if budget is your main concern, the MSI is your best bet. But if you want something with more features and power, the Corsair might be worth it. Next, let's discuss certifications. The MSI A550BN boasts an 80 PLS bronze certification, which is good for energy efficiency but not the highest standard. Reviewers appreciate its decent performance for the price. Meanwhile, the Corsair RM750e is Intel ATX 3.0 certified, ensuring it can handle newer technologies like PCIe Gen 5. Users have highlighted this certification as a major plus for future-proofing their builds. Now, let's talk noise levels. Reviewers of the MSI A550BN often mention its low noise fan, making it great for late-night gaming sessions. Users describe it as quiet and unobtrusive. The Corsair RM750e, however, features a 120mm fan that keeps things quiet even under full load. Many reviewers appreciate its near-silent operation, even with demanding setups. If you're looking for a quiet power supply, both options have their strengths. Lastly, let's not forget about modular designs. The MSI A550BN is semi-modular, which users find adequate but not as tidy as they'd like. Some reviewers noted that it can lead to a bit of cable clutter. In contrast, the Corsair RM750e is fully modular, allowing users to connect only the necessary cables. Reviewers rave about its neat cable management, making for a clean and organized build. If aesthetics and organization are important to you, the Corsair is definitely the way to go. Overall, both power supplies have their strengths and cater to different user needs. The MSI A550BN is favored for its affordability and solid performance, while the Corsair RM750e is praised for its advanced features and future-proofing capabilities. Users looking for a budget-friendly option may lean towards the MSI, while those wanting more power and modularity might prefer the Corsair. So which power supply reigns supreme? If you're on a budget, the MSI A550BN is your go-to. But if you want the best features, the Corsair RM750e is worth every penny. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.